The commissioner just called me. People are writing petitions against you. You are just a disgrace to this station. You go about causing problem here and there.
Come out from there.
Come down.
That woman attached me. She attached me and she insultation me.
Attack.
Attack me.
Shut up.
Una plenty enjoy.
She enjoyed it too.
You say you follow enjoy them.
Enjoy what? With this so small toothpick that's in you.
Hey!
What?
Is
that what?
You, oh my God, you can't even speak correct English. You're so rude.
The oil you don't spoil, it's black. This one, you go.
You have been devoid of your senses. How could you put vegetable oil meant for cooking into a car?
Now this is you pour for customer.
Poured groundnut oil in my car.
You said kids. Where your driver's license?
Driver's license, Beatrice.
Hello.
Hey, cartoon boy. Hey, who you? How do you form? Where do you exist?
Yeah, I am so disappointed at you because I can never believe that an officer of the law could stoop so low. What the heck is wrong with you?
You are being
You can do it! Rise up!
You know how me I go keep person. Wait there.
Hey, what is wrong with you? My God.
Sean, POP. DPO, sir. Sean.
Will you shut up?
Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele. Biati. Ife melodic. Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom mele.